How to log in into people's pension account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how we can log in into people's pension account. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what you have to do is open up your preferred browser. Head towards the search bar and type in people's pension login. From your search results, you have to go to the first link on your interface, that is the peoplespension.co.uk. Click on it. That's gonna take you to this page. Here, scroll down a bit and you will have a few options as member login, employee login, or advisor login. So according to your account type, choose one from here. For now, I will head towards the member login. Click on member login. Now you'll be taken to the login page. To log in into your account, first of all, enter the email address that is associated with your account. Type in your email address. Once you're done, click or type in your password. Make sure you type in your correct password. In case if you forgot your login credential, that may be your password, click on forgot your password link right here. Follow the on-screen instructions and that's going to help you recover your account. Once you're done entering your login credential, click on login button, and with that you'll be logged in into your people's pension account. That's it. That's how you can log in into your people pension account. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.